It's the Great Depression. You woke up rich. You went to bed broke. No war, no warning. Just a crash so violent it erased $200 billion and dragged America into a decade of hunger and dust. So what actually happened? Let's rewind to the party before the fall. It's 1922. The war is over. The mustaches are ridiculous. And the economy, it's vibing. Factories stop making tanks and start making toasters, vacuum cleaners, refrigerators, so fancy they insult iceboxes. New York's skyline shoots upward. Jazz is everywhere. Loud, electric. No one really understands it, but everyone loves it. People believe the good times will last forever. Even economists say things like, "This decade is absolutely roaring." And they're not wrong. The Model T rolls off assembly lines faster than ever. What once took 12 hours now takes 90 minutes. Cars flood the streets. Oil, steel, rubber. Everything accelerates. America isn't just growing, it's revving. Radios explode in popularity. 10 million homes have one by 1929. 10 million homes now hear music, ads, and optimism crackling through static. But while cities party, rural America struggles. Farmers who got rich during the war now face collapsing prices, so they borrow to modernize. Tractors, machinery, debt. The machines don't save them, they just help them go broke faster. Meanwhile, urban America discovers a new sport. Buying things they can't afford. Buy now, pay later. Radios, finance it. Cars, finance it. Stocks, definitely finance it. Banks are thrilled, installment plans for anyone with a pulse. It's financial speed dating. But the real madness lives on Wall Street. Margin loans let you buy $100 of stock with $10 down. The rest, future you will figure it out. Stocks only go up. Even barbers know that. When your barber gives stock tips, you are not early. You are late. From 1924 to 1929, the Dow quadruples. Prices float free from reality. Profits don't matter. Vibes do. Companies stack holding companies on top of holding companies that own nothing except optimism. A few people warn a crash is coming. They're ignored. The band keeps playing. And then, October 29, 1929, Black Tuesday. The market doesn't fall. It dives. Ticker tapes bleed red. Phones scream. Suits panic. $14 billion vanish in a day. Adjusted for inflation. Over 200 billion. Real money, real lives. And that's just the start. Margin calls hit. Brokers demand cash that doesn't exist. Paper fortunes evaporate overnight. Then the banks collapse. People run, not walk. Run, savings disappear. Entire families lose everything. And the shockwaves spread. Europe buckles. Global trade collapses. Factories shut down. Unemployment hits 25%. 1 in 4 Americans wants work and can't find it. Breadlines stretch through cities. Children faint in classrooms. Not from boredom, from hunger. Then the sky turns black. The Dust Bowl swallows farms. Whole families flee west with everything they own in broken cars. President Hoover tells the nation to stay calm. The nation stops listening. By 1932, America isn't just broke. It's broken. Then something changes. Franklin Roosevelt steps forward. The only thing we have to fear is fear itself. And for the first time in years, the country breathes. Jobs return. Shovels replace despair. Roads, dams, power, rules are built. Banks are restrained. Savings protected. It isn't magic. It isn't fast. But it works. The Great Depression doesn't end with fireworks. It ends with work, with survival, with endurance, and as America stands back up, it doesn't yet realize another storm is already forming.